At the heart of the Osmo Pocket 4 lies an upgraded imaging system designed to deliver exceptional video quality. The camera is expected to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, offering improved low-light performance and greater dynamic range compared to earlier models. This enhancement allows for more detailed and vibrant footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. In terms of video recording, the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to support 4K resolution at up to 240 frames per second, enabling ultra-smooth slow-motion footage. Additionally, the inclusion of 10-bit D-Log-M and HDR recording capabilities provides filmmakers with greater flexibility in post-production color grading, ensuring that the final output meets professional standards. Desktop computer, enhanced display, and ergonomics. The device is anticipated to feature a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen with a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels and a brightness of 800 nits. This upgrade ensures clear visibility even under direct sunlight, facilitating precise framing and intuitive navigation. Coupled with improved button placement and an ergonomic grip, the Osmo Pocket 4 promises a comfortable shooting experience, whether capturing content on the go or during extended sessions. Counterclockwise arrows button intelligent tracking and stabilization. Equipped with ActiveTrack 7.0, the Osmo Pocket 4 is designed to offer advanced subject tracking capabilities. This system utilizes phase detection and eye tracking technologies to maintain focus on moving subjects, ensuring sharp and stable footage. The integrated 3-axis gimbal stabilization further enhances this feature, delivering smooth and cinematic shots even in dynamic environments. VideoLANE.com fast forward button. VideoLANE.com fast forward button. +4. Sell prices. +4. PhoneReview24.com. +4. Battery improved battery life and charging efficiency. Battery performance is a critical consideration for portable cameras, and the Osmo Pocket 4 addresses this with significant improvements. The device is expected to offer extended recording times, with reports suggesting up to 140 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. Additionally, the introduction of a removable battery system allows users to carry spares for longer shooting sessions. Fast charging capabilities, with a full charge achievable in approximately 25 minutes using DJI's PD charger, further enhance the device's usability. Photography visions. Control knobs, expanded features for creators. The Osmo Pocket 4 is anticipated to introduce several new features aimed at enhancing the creative possibilities for users. Focus Track, for instance, enables users to maintain focus on a specific subject while creating dramatic focus transitions automatically, emulating the work of a professional focus puller. The inclusion of time-lapse and hyperlapse modes, with programmable movement paths and built-in ND filter effects, offers creators the tools to produce high-quality cinematic sequences. Additionally, the device's compatibility with the DJI Mimo app provides advanced editing tools, shot templates, and direct social media sharing options, streamlining the content creation process. WatiMobile24.com. +2. VideoLANE.com fast forward button. +2. TopView.ai. +2. Photography visions. Package accessories and ecosystem. To further enhance the versatility of the Osmo Pocket 4, DJI is expected to offer a range of accessories. These may include wide-angle lens attachments, wireless microphones, extended grips with built-in batteries, waterproof cases for underwater shooting, and mini tripods with remote control capabilities. While these accessories may come at an additional cost, they significantly expand the functionality of the device, catering to a wide array of shooting scenarios. Photography visions. Money bag pricing and availability. While official pricing has not been confirmed, industry speculation suggests that the Osmo Pocket May 4th be priced at approximately $699 for the standard version and $799 for the creator combo, which includes additional accessories. The anticipated release window for the device is late 2026 to early 2027, aligning with DJI's typical product release cycle. Brain final thoughts. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 stands as a testament to DJI's commitment to innovation and quality in the realm of portable filmmaking. With its advanced imaging capabilities, intelligent tracking and stabilization systems, extended battery life, and a suite of features tailored for content creators, it is poised to be a valuable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. As the official release approaches, prospective users are encouraged to stay informed through official DJI channels for the most accurate and up-to-date information.